so excited and I can't wait to do this kind of vlog.
Good day everyone, it's me Jaymarc again and welcome to my channel. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, subscribe na and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated to my upcoming videos. So for today's vlog is mag-unbox tayo and magre-review na naman tayo ng panibagong item na pinurchase natin sa Lazada. So eto na siya guys. Tada! Itsura niya. So before that, isa-sanitize muna natin. Yes, kasi galing to China. Oh my gosh. China nga. So, okay. Ang nilalaman, ang description is Andoer EY-510A. Mini portable clip-on lapel lavalier condenser mic, wired microphone for iPhone, iPad, Android smartphone, DS. This package has 1 SKU and 1 piece of totally payment. Ayan. So, nagkakahalaga lang siyang 213 kasama na ang shipping fee. So, ito ay galing sa Super Deal 2019. Basta China siya galing. And this is, guys, is the reason why I purchased this is para gamitin siya sa aking camera. Kasi, masyadong maingay. May mga noise na, you know, nasasama every time nag-ano ko yung saan yung gunting. Saka ko ng mahiwagang gunting. Let's open it now. Okay. Sanitize. Lala. Oh, this is it, guys. This is the item. So, it comes with, naka-bubble wrap naman siya, guys. Ayan. So, it's for the protections of the item inside. And, eto na siya, guys. So, it comes with the microphone. Also, this is a microphone. Ayan na. Lapel siya, guys. Wala. And good thing about it is, may clip na siyang kasama. Ito. Parang hindi kasi clip. Nakalak ba to? Wow! Metal yung clip niya. Hindi lang siya basta clip na ano Ayan Pala yung clip. Ayan siya. So, nalaglag yung ano yan. Ito siya, pag sa mga Android phone mo siya gagamitin or smartphone mo siya gagamitin. So, ganito siya, guys. Ito yung ginagamit na ayan po siya. Ito po yung ano niya, buong tsura niya. Together with this one. So, kung meron kang camera or DSLR, you can use this one to connect on your camera. Hindi madumi yung kukuha. So, ayan siya, guys. And, itatry na rin natin siya ngayon. Of course, diba? Hello! Ayun po yung voice ko pag walang mic. Then, let's try with mic. Oh my gosh. Wait. Kala kasi gold yung ano niya. So, let's try it.
Hello, it's me Jaymarc. Good morning. So let's try to open the electric fan. Okay guys. So ito na nga, gamit na natin ng Andoer. Hello, ito na. So guys, ganito yung quality ng voice niya and i-compare natin siya sa walang gamit and sa may gamit na. I-compare natin siya kung ano yung pinagkaiba niya with microphone and walang microphone. And what good things about it is makapal yung wire niya, guys. Halatang hindi siya basta-basta masisira or basta nasasayo naman niya kung sa pag-iingat mo. And the good thing about it is yung crocodile clip niya is metal. Hindi siya plastic or something na mababali agad-agad. And it comes with this parang foam. Ito, guys. Okay. Hindi ko siya ma-focus. Ayun. Ito yung foam. Try kong tanggalin na. Wait. Wait. Oh my gosh. Wait. Oh my gosh. Hindi ko siya matanggal. Diyan ka na lang. Ayaw mo matanggal eh. So, ito. Medyo, ayan, makapal yung wire niya, guys. And, mukhang high quality naman siya. And, tignan natin kung tatagal siya. So, this review is, itatry natin kung gaano nagwo-work etong microphone na to. Kung nag-work ba siya ng maganda. Maganda ba yung quality ng, ano niya, ng tunog. And, ayun nga. Itatry natin. Titignan ko muna. So, guys, I'm back and now I'm using the Andoer lapel. So, ayun nga, na-testing ko na siya, guys. And good thing about it is maganda yung quality ng voice niya. So, ang pagkakamali ko lang kanina is masyado akong nilalapit yung mic sa bibig ko. So, ayun, medyo may pagkasabog yung tunog. But, overall is high quality naman siya and low price. So, 5-star siya kung i-rate ko siya sa LAZADA. And, try natin kung yung ASMR effect is effective. So, guys, we're doing an ASMR right now. Wait. Wait, I'm gonna try it. So, ayan siya, guys. So, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video and hope. And don't forget to click the notification bell and subscribe button so you'll be updated to my upcoming videos. And that's all for today. Thank you very much. And God bless you all, guys. Have a safe day. Bye. Thank you. See you in my next videos. Bye. So guys, today's vlog is we'll be doing an ASMR. So matagal ko na kasi gusto gawin to. And I'm so excited about it. Kakain-kain lang naman tayo dito, diba? So I'm so excited and I can't wait to do this kind of vlog. So, I'm gonna do it.